Hey, this is Dave from AllProWebTools. I'm going to show you how to put that little bar at the bottom of your website that alerts users that you collect their information with cookies. So we're going to show you how to create a bar like this at the bottom that warns your users that you're collecting information and using cookies as they browse your website. So I found two websites that provide the snippet code that you need to put the little disclaimer message at the bottom of your website. One of them is called cookieconsent.insights.com, and the other one is cookie-script.com. And they have examples at the bottom. This is what the message will look like if you install the code from this website. And down here, if we click on download, here is an example of what the message will look like at the bottom of the screen. And they both work very similarly. You get to pick your different options here. So if you want the banner to be at the bottom of the page, or if you want it to show up at the top of the page, you can select that, or if you want it to be on the left or the right. So you can pick your option, and then for the layout, you can pick if you want it, kind of the look that you want it to have. And then you can pick the color scheme. So if you want it to be red, you can do that. So completely up to you. And once you've set all of those parameters there, you will get this chunk of code. So the question is, how do I install this code into my AllProWebTools website? Well, click the copy code button and then go into your AllProWebTools dashboard and go to settings and then administrator. And then you will click on header. Now you'll notice in the instructions here that you're supposed to add the code in the header of your website just before this tag with the open bracket and then the slash and then head. So all we need to do is look at this very confusing code here, and we'll see on line 16, we see that little tag that they referenced with the open character and the slash and then head. So it said in the instructions that I'm supposed to put that in front of it. So I'm going to open that up, get a little space above it, and then I'm just going to hit paste. And I have now pasted what they told me to paste right here, just before the head tag, just like they explained to me there. So now all I need to do is hit the save button, and now I can go to my website and reload it, and guess what shows up at the bottom? There's a big red bar warning me that information is collected from my browsing the website. And that's it, pretty simple. Just go to the website, set your options, grab that little chunk of code, paste it into your AllProWebTools website, and that's it, you're done.